What's the meaning of callow? Callow. Callow.
Callow. Callow. The word callow is an adjective that is used to describe someone or something that is inexperienced, immature, or lacking in knowledge or sophistication. It can be used to describe a young person who has not yet reached their full potential or to refer to something that is underdeveloped or unrefined. When used to describe a person, it often carries a negative connotation, suggesting that the person is naive or foolish. However, when applied to other things, such as a skill or a work of art, it can also imply potential or promise for growth and improvement in the future.